We'd like some balance in our forecast. It goes from 90 to 60.
We like fair and balanced.
But you know what? The extremes make you appreciate the Goldilocks day.
And who told you that?
I think I read it in a book once. TikTok. Good job, guys. On this Monday, today is one of those days that'll really make us appreciate the Wednesday that we have ahead of us. It is dreary out there. It's been damp and drizzly all morning long with cool and cloudy conditions heading into the second half of your Monday. Hard to see much from the Empire State Building today. Tough for the tourists up there paying that money for the entry fee, but you know what? This fog is starting to thin out a little bit. The low clouds beginning to lift. The gray, that's the theme of the day. Forecast high today, 68. So we're coming in about 10 degrees below the seasonal average. I actually bumped that down a little bit. I think we'll be 10 to 13 degrees below normal today and about 10 cooler than yesterday. You'll feel the difference, not just in that drop in temperature, but the fact that it's so gray all day that it kind of contributes to that cool and drizzly feel. We also have the light showers that also are kind of making it feel a little on the dreary side out there. 66 in Sussex right now, 63 in Morristown and Central Park, 63 for Iceland. We don't move much. We woke up to temperature in the upper 50s, low 60s. We'll cap it today in the mid 60s, so there isn't much range out there, and we are well below normal for this time of year. As far as visibility goes, these numbers haven't moved a whole lot either. Early this morning was actually okay in the city. Then we dropped to about 1 or 2 miles of visibility through the 10 o'clock hour, now back up to 7. But a mile and a half in White Plains and Iceland, so it's still so gray. Not necessarily hugging the surface, it slows you down, but definitely looking gray and dreary outside. Then we got the rain. It's light, it's scattered, it's nothing that impacts the day too significantly, but it's still there. We're watching those light showers move through Woodland, down through New Paltz, now down through Newburgh into Monroe and Stony Point. We also have this one downpour here near Stamford, just north of Stamford, so that there are pockets of heavy rain within the overall light showers. But that wraps up in the next couple of hours, and the second half of our Monday is mostly dry, but it will stay cool and cloudy. Until front arrives to us tomorrow morning, that will bring another line of broken showers or storms, that one bringing through heavier downpours. For your Monday, some light drizzle from now through about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This evening looks mostly dry, just a couple spotty areas of rain, temps in the mid-60s. We should stay mostly dry through the overnight hours, just a few hit or miss showers. But right around sunrise is when we'll start watching for that broken line of showers and storms to start approaching our west. So this is a cold front, and within it comes some embedded thunderstorm activity. That means heavy rain that can contribute to some ponding on roadways, some localized flooding, lightning possible as well. The further west you live, the better chance you have of this impacting the morning rush. I think it takes until 9 or 10 to get into the city, and then clears out after lunchtime. After that, the drier air starts to filter behind the front and helps to clear out our cloud cover. We do not cool down tomorrow. We warm up. But with the drier air taking over, it is going to feel a whole lot better as we dry out that dew point. And by Wednesday, not as humid, a whole lot warmer, and the sunny skies settle in. So Wednesday, I promise it'll be the payoff. The overall gloomy conditions we have today, cool and cloudy, highs in the mid-60s. Patchy fog still an issue with a few scattered showers out there. Nothing widespread or consistent, but still noticeable drizzle right now. Tonight, a spot shower, cloudy conditions, and then tomorrow a stormy start to our Tuesdays. The first half of the day, those scattered showers and storms could create some ponding on roadways with the heavy rain, but late breaks for sun second half of Tuesday as the drier air works in, and that sets us up for gorgeous conditions Wednesday as this warming trend continues. Mid-80s low humidity with sunshine on Wednesday. We'll turn up the temp and the humidity a touch on Thursday, and then slide back to the 70s for the weekend.
88's up there.
I know, what a swing between today and Thursday, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
I'm working on it, Sandra. Okay, I'm working on it.
We're watching. Thanks, Danny.
Thank you, Danny. Still to come, first baseman Pete Alonso passes Mets icon David Wright for career home runs. Now he's one step closer to being the team leader.
All across America.
Good morning, good morning.
Wherever we are, it feels like home.
Man, it's good to be home.
GMA, it's an invitation to come together and brighten your morning.